Unpacking the Digital Nomad Lifestyle, How to Balance Work and Travel. Good morning, lovely people. Ever wondered how to seamlessly blend travel, technology, and remote work into an exciting lifestyle? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel, where we explore the adventurous world of digital nomadism, diving into the intricacies of blockchain and the future of Web3 technology. If you're ready to embark on this journey with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with today's video. Hello there, global citizens. I'm writing this blog post while lounging in the vibrant, sun-soaked city of Cartagena, Colombia. I've just returned, welcomed by the familiar, warm ocean breeze, the rich scent of street food, and the radiant smiles of locals. The life of a digital nomad is one of constant change and adaptation, balancing the demands of work with the thrill of exploration. It's a lifestyle that marries technology and travel, freedom and responsibility. Arriving back in Cartagena, my personal assistant was at the airport to meet me, a reminder of how important it is to have a local connection when you're constantly on the move. She had made a quick stop at the local fish market, picking up the day's freshest catch, and by the time I arrived home, a delicious, healthy meal was waiting for me. If you can, I highly recommend finding a trustworthy local assistant wherever you go. It can make your transition easier and your stay much more pleasant. So, how does one balance work and travel in the digital nomad lifestyle? Here are a few essential tips I've picked up over the years. 1. Finding remote work. The first step to becoming a digital nomad is, of course, having a job that allows you to work remotely. This could mean freelancing, consulting, or finding a company that supports remote work. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs are wonderful places to start your search. 2. Managing your time across different time zones. One of the biggest challenges when working and traveling is dealing with different time zones. To effectively manage your time, it's crucial to always be aware of the local time and the time where your clients or colleagues are based. Apps like World Time Buddy or Every Time Zone can be lifesavers for keeping track of this. 3. Best tools and technology for remote work. Technology is the bedrock of the digital nomad lifestyle. Reliable laptops, noise-canceling headphones, a portable Wi-Fi device, and cloud-based storage are essential tools. Apps like Slack for team communication, Trello for project management, and Zoom for meetings are also invaluable. 4. Personal experiences and stories. Every city, every country has its unique charm and challenges. For instance, here in Cartagena, I'm smitten by the city's colonial charm, its bustling markets, and the friendly locals. Yet, the heat can be intense, and Wi-Fi can be a bit hit or miss in some locations. But, with a local assistant's help and a few tried and tested tools, I can make it work. Being a digital nomad isn't always easy. It requires flexibility, resilience, and a constant willingness to learn and adapt. But, for those of us who crave freedom and adventure, who wish to see the world while earning a living, there's no better way to live. So, as I finish my delicious fish meal and prepare for my next video call, I invite you to consider, could you, too, embrace the digital nomad lifestyle? Stay tuned for more updates from my adventures around the globe and feel free to drop any questions you might have about living the digital nomad life. Until next time, happy travels. I'm not an expert, I'm simply documenting and memorializing my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. If you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe to receive notifications of my latest videos.